In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Infestation Camo on the DS20 Mirage Assault Rifle here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Overall, this is not too hard to go ahead and knock out, but first things first, go ahead and go into your gunsmith, into the customize tab, into the camo section, and specifically into the zombies camo tab. From here, this is where you're going to see all the challenges that you have to go ahead and complete in order to work your way up to that beautiful infestation camo. The first 9 camos right here are going to be your critical kill camos, which is essentially just headshot kills. You can damage them all you want in the body, and then finish them off with a headshot kill. Just train them up. It's honestly not too bad. 1,000 does seem like a lot, but that's like one game if you really think about it, or at least like one good game. And you're just going to want to play survival for this. In fact, for all of these challenges, unless I say otherwise, go ahead and play survival maps. Right now, there's only Van Dorn Farm out, but I know Season 1 is just around the corner. And there's going to be a lot that come out with that season, so you can play one of those as well. Moving on into special camos, though, the first one is this mutilate one right here. This one, you just have to go ahead and get 10 kills without taking damage 10 times. This is 100 kills total, and it's actually super easy to go and do and pretty self-explanatory. Just don't take damage, and you'll knock this one out quick. Moving on to the Slither camo, though, you just have to have tier 2 armor or higher equipped, and then you just have to get 150 eliminations. This is kind of a weird challenge. I'm not really sure why this is this far onto this, but essentially just get kills with tier 2 armor, which is that second plate of armor. Super easy to do, should only take a few rounds. For Pathfinder, though, you just have to have the Dead Wire ammo mod, and essentially you just have to get 300 eliminations, and it doesn't even have to be exclusively with Dead Wire. You just have to have Dead Wire activate, and from there you can go ahead and just get those kills. It's not too bad. Just train up those zombies and mow them down as much as possible. The thing is, you do have to get those kills with the DS20 Mirage. You can't like switch to another weapon or something. Finally, moving on to the Golden Dragon, though, you got to get 10 kills rapidly 15 times. Rapid kills are essentially just kills in quick succession of each other. Train up those zombies, you'll get these kills knocked out pretty quickly. In fact, sometimes you'll knock out, 2 of them when you're just trying to do 1 of them. For Bloodstone, this is where it starts to get a little bit more difficult. You do have to unlock Golden Dragon on 6 ARs minimum, which as of right now, there's only 6 ARs in the game, so that would be all of them. But essentially, once you do that, you can come back to this, and you just got to get 20 or more consecutive kills without taking damage 5 times. This is essentially just don't take damage, run up a train of like 20 zombies, and then from here take it out, and you'll knock this one out pretty quickly. Should take at most 5 rounds. Moving on to Doomsteel, though, you do have to unlock Bloodstone on all 30 weapons before doing this, so go ahead and knock that out. And then just eliminate 10 elite zombies with the DS20 Mirage. This is the only challenge that you're not going to want to play that survival map for. You're going to want to play Ashes of the Damned. Get all the way up to round 16. That's going to be when that first Ursa does spawn, which is that bear. Take him out and then go ahead and go into the fog area and essentially just go ahead and stay in there because you're going to have a Zersa spawn in every 2 minutes while you're in that fog. So stay in that fog, you'll essentially be getting an elite zombie every 2 minutes. If you do play this correctly, and I know sometimes things can happen, but this should only take around 20 minutes to knock out. And from here, you can go ahead and move on to the Infestation camo, which is just unlocking Doomsteel on all 30 weapons to unlock this bad boy. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.